Poland, one of the fastest-growing work destinations in Europe. A country where thousands of foreign workers are already working in factories, warehouses, logistics, and companies. But here's the reality. Most people ignore Poland because salaries are lower than Western Europe. However, many smart migrants use Poland as their first entry point into Europe. So the real question is, how can you actually get a Poland work visa in 2026? And is it really worth it? Today, we are going to break down the complete Poland work visa system, including jobs, salaries, visa process, and real ground reality. Because if you understand this properly, Poland can become your gateway into Europe. First, you need to understand one important thing. Poland is more accessible compared to many Western European countries. The most common pathway is job offer plus work permit. Here's how it works. Employer applies for your work permit, you apply for national visa, you enter Poland legally for work. This process is simpler compared to countries like Germany or Norway. Now let's talk about jobs. Poland has strong demand in factories, warehouses, logistics, construction, manufacturing. There are also opportunities in IT, engineering, and business sectors. Now comes the most important part, salary. Average monthly salary is 1,000 to 2,500 euros. Now here's the reality. Salaries are lower than Western Europe, but the cost of living is also lower. Now let's talk about expenses. Rent is anywhere from 300 to 900 euros. Food plus utilities are 300 to 600 euros. So overall, Poland can offer decent savings potential. Now comes visa processing. Poland work visa usually takes 1 to 3 months. Now let's talk about PR pathway. Poland offers long-term options. After several years of legal stay, you can apply for temporary residency extensions and permanent residency later. Now here's an important factor, language. English works in some sectors, but Polish language helps a lot in daily life and jobs. Now let's talk about job strategy. Most people fail because they trust fake agents or come without understanding the job reality. Smart strategy is apply through verified companies, use official contracts, avoid illegal shortcuts. Now here's the biggest mistake, thinking Poland is a luxury Europe country. It is not. Poland is more of a work-focused, savings-focused Europe entry country. Now let's talk about the real strategy. Poland is best for first-time migrants, workers seeking Europe entry, budget-conscious migrants. Not ideal for luxury lifestyle expectations or extremely high salary seekers. Now here's the truth most people don't understand. Poland is not about status, it is about opportunity. If you use it smartly, it can become the beginning of your European journey. So the final decision depends on you, your expectations, your goals, your strategy. Poland is not just a country, it is a practical entry point. And if you plan correctly, it can open bigger opportunities later. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to The World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.